Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from Down4SoundShop.com. In this video, we're going to be letting you know about our Down4Sound Alternator brackets. If you did not know, one of the biggest things that you run into when getting into car audio on bigger levels is needing to supply that with a bunch of juice from an alternator. And the bigger the system gets, the more alternator power you're going to need. So you're eventually going to get to where a 300 amp or a 370, 400 amp alternator isn't going to be enough to deal with the demand from your massive system that you're going to be having or putting in your vehicle. So the best thing to do is add another alternator or two or three or four of them. The most common vehicle that people do in the car audio space is probably a Chevy truck of some sort, like my Tahoe, a bunch of Chevys. Some people do Ford Expeditions and stuff like that, but the most common is going to be your Chevy trucks. So I'm looking at the website here. If you go to alternators and then alternator bracket kits and you select on that, you're going to see Down4Sound GM 2014 to 2021, and that's going to be for all gas engines. Then you're going to have 96 through 2000s. Let's see, a Ford 4.0 dual alternator kits. Then you have Trailblazer 4.2, and then again you have triple alternator kits, dual alternator kits, quad kits for a bunch of different year models here. But the best thing to do, we'll put the link to these in the description of this video, so you'll be able to go directly to that link and see all the different multiple alternator kits that we offer on the website, and it's going to come with everything you need to add that second alternator. So you have your, obviously, your bracket here, your hardware, and this one has a hose that needs to be either lengthened or replaced, so it comes with that. Then you have your additional pulleys here with all the hardware, and even the longer belt that you're going to need to add a second alternator. So everything's been done for you, and as always, very fair pricing on the Down4Sound alternator brackets. Appreciate your support here at Down4Sound Shop. As always, if you need anything, give us a call, 702-701-9800, or you can go on the website and hit the contact us option, and that'll also send us an email, or you can call us there. Appreciate your support. See you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.